Thank you for buying this 10151 wall mount shelf from Fixture Displays. These shelves come in 4 parts, 12, 10, 8, and 6 inches square respectively. They are all 4 inches deep. There are a couple ways to assemble, and we're going to show you both in this video. These are the 2 ways, and in the back come with the wall mounting hooks that you can fasten to your wall, either landscape or portrait orientations. If you like this video, please consider subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping with Fixture Displays.